Hi guys, yes, so I'm here in Sikatuna Public Market to do some vegetable buying and rice buying. Alright, bear with me guys.
Don't go tonight. Stay here one more time. Remind me what it's like. And let's fall in love one more time.
Dali-dali ko kay ang
Need you now by my
Hi guys, I'm
side.
gonna buy. You are
It
here,
tears
you're
me up
I'm a
when you
YouTuber.
turn me down. I'm begging, please, just
No, I'm always
stick
here, this guy's there.
around.
Sana magbuwan, oy, wala
I'm
naman.
sorry,
Hipos
don't
sa
leave
ate.
me. I want you
Hipos sa
here
ate.
with me. I know
Doy, ikaw na
that
pag okay.
your
200
love
naman ang
is
kwarta. Ikaw dyan, sir.
gone.
Bayad pa ko. Try cup, sir. Lubak pa ko ulit, sir.
I
Ganayon, dyan ako.
can't
Dito rin,
breathe.
sir. Kay,
I'm
kailangan mo kasi
sorry.
katuna. Napabay
I
ginamos
know
karon.
this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is
Ilain-lain siya kaya isa ka
gone.
kilo. Ay, doon ka kilo
That
ako
your
yata sa kuya.
love is gone.
Ako'y nakatulog ko kanang lata nga. Kuan. Kanang lata nga talong. Saya nga, oh. Tiga ko uso na namugnaw. Tapila ang palian ninyo. Da, grabe. Pilay last na ho. 60 di ay. Di ba kaya? Maskin duhaon. 130? Sige, kuha kog duha. Diyan mo ko kwarta, vlogger. Ang sweldo sa vlogger once a year. Mazo, lagi yung tagmutanaw mo. O mutanaw mo ron, o mo follow mo tanan no ron, upat ka buok. Tagaan mo na og bag kada semana. 1,000 pa kapin. Sa YouTube, lisod mo na YouTube ko. 1,000. Ay, sa awang Facebook, 10K. Saan mga, di ba ko kasigig vlog, kaya na may mga bata in taon, multitasking raman ko. Sa, kuya, uy. Wow, 1 million. Hi guys, I'm here right now. I'm back here in Sikatuna Public Market. And I'm buying big. Look at it. This is the biggest eggplant in Philippines. Like, you know, in